and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for another plan with me, which I post every Sunday. If you are new here, consider going ahead and subscribing so that you can stay up to date on my different plan with me themes. So for my third week of fall, this is a little bit off my regular fall type, plan with me theme. I am going to be doing Harry Potter. I don't know what it is about Harry Potter, but it makes me think of fall, and I think it's because of the colors. So that's what I'm going to be doing this week. If you are looking for more traditional fall type themes, go ahead and take a look below. I'm going to list off a bunch of different fall themes that I've done in the past, as well as the last 2 weeks I've done some fall themes. So these are the images that I have. These are all from Google Images that I grabbed these different pictures, and I thought these would just, work really well. I made this in Paint just using the logo. If you're ever interested in how I do these, I do have a tutorial video showing you. It is so super easy. I can link that at the end if you're interested in how I go ahead and prep my pictures for my videos. So that's this week's theme. And then for washi, I'm just going to use these thin solid colors, which are really the colors for the movie. You'll see how they match in later. These are all from AliExpress. And then I thought that I would throw in some fall just to give it that fall color, and it's orange, so I think it'll match really nice. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy my Harry Potter plan with me theme. Let's go ahead and get started.